Okay, you can go ahead and close it. For my YouTube channel, so you want like the live action stuff.
There you go.
And the fireplace was boarded up and fitted with wood stuff. So they took the wall down, the original, and then the beehive oven in behind that you heat up by building a fire in there. And there's several layers of bricks. Idea how you decide how hot is hot enough.
Putting your finger in.
Right. And you put your hand in, it's kind of lift it up. If you can leave it in there, it's not hot. Pretty primitive. There are actually 2 fireplaces up there as well, smaller. There are 8 fireplaces total in the house.
I noticed. William continued to live here, and he went bankrupt in 1803.
Look who's again making an appearance. Natasha from Artist Explores the World. I think this is the 3rd time we're getting together. And we're gonna have some seafood.
Yum!
And Mom. We got our oysters, Maine oysters. But one has been stolen already. Okay, my mom wants to put the greens to make it prettier. There's your scallop casserole, which I almost got invited to by a total stranger. And a seafood casserole for both of us. But you have a lobster hanging out, actually.
I ate it.
You ate it? I'll have a pomegranate, a Maine blueberry. Okay, you can go ahead and close it. For my YouTube channel, so you want like the live action stuff.
There you go.
We decided to take the road through the White Mountains National Park, and now we have a fabulous view of Mount Washington.